Good morning. This is 152 Colburn. Again, we're in Highland Country Estates. This home is in 1993. It's a little over 1,000 square feet, 1,008 to be specific. With a very nice sized carport. Large workshop shed. And shade from a nice tree there. The washer, excuse me, not the washer and dryer, the air conditioner and refrigerator were replaced in 2017. The home features vinyl siding. Could use a pressure wash, but that's a pretty easy maintenance item. For the gardener, there is a rain barrel that collects rainwater for gardening, so you don't have to pay for the water you're using. This home backs up to Kings Lake and has a nice green barricade here. Again, air conditioner, only a couple years old. And being a 93, it has a, probably can't see it from there, but a shingle roof. And we'll see you inside. Okay, so this is the inside of 251 Colburn. It is a more modern layout. This home is a little over 1,000 square feet. It's got vaulted ceilings. A little place for your kitchenette table. Eating kitchen. Ample storage, nice sized pantry. The refrigerator is placed in 2017. Again, a little peninsula top there. You have your washer and dryer currently set up inside. The washer and dryer is a potential negotiating point. It's not included at the price. We go into the master suite. The kitties also don't convey. There is a small ensuite bath with a stall shower. This is the second bedroom. Closet. And your common bath. The tub has been modified so that it's easy to step into. So it is now basically a step-in shower. And we'll meet you outside. Okay, so this is outside. We covered the front and around the house earlier. This is the shed / workshop. It was used as a workshop by the previous owner. There is still a workbench. Right now they're using it for storage. I will have the size right there for you. Again, you could easily put a air conditioner in that window. There's a door right there so you can get a cross breeze. They did move the water heater out into the shed, so it's no longer in the house. And there's a spot for washer and dryer right over there, so if you wanted to have your laundry out here instead of in the home, that is possible. This shed also has electric throughout, so you have plenty of places to plug in your tools. Alright. Any questions, give us a call. If you want to come take a look at it, we're happy to show it to you.